Hope you're good. You still remember sign language? And we're continuing. You must learn and keep in your mind. Don't forget. Don't forget, no. Keep in your mind. The deaf, when you meet them, you must sign and communicate with them. Very good. So today we're going to focus on a topic, colors. Colors. Various colors we're going to learn. All right. Let's start. Black, 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 black. Black, another way, black, black. All right. Blue, 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 blue. Pink, 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 pink. Letter R, red, 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 red. Letter Y, yellow, yellow, yellow. G, green, 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 green. Brown, brown, brown. Purple, 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 purple. Light yellow, light yellow. Light yellow, light yellow, or yellow light, another way of saying it. Light blue, light blue. There's another way of saying light blue. Thank you.